Hello friends, just a day before then I met you launch a new sunscreen which name is then I met you Essence Light Sunscreen, and here I am going to deliver a demo and detailed descriptions of this sunscreen. In this video we'll discuss what are the benefits of this sunscreen, and then we'll discuss what are the best way to apply these products, and then we'll discuss its ingredients. So before going to buy this, you must have to watch this video till end. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Let's start the video. Typically, essences are used after toner to get hydrations and nourishments, but essence are also comes in the form of skincare pack like sunscreens. And here we have Essence Light Sunscreen, which name is then I met you Essence Light Sunscreen. And this light sunscreen provides SPF 50 protections in a lightweight form. And this sunscreen is fermented in rich formula that blends seamlessly skin tones for a hydration and luminous complexion. And we discuss what is the best way to apply these products. Especially SPF and sunscreens are very essential for daily usage. Apply SPF should be daily as the last steps in your skincare routine or after applying makeup, at least 15 minutes before sun exposure. And you have to apply these products on evenly into your skin and reapply every 2 hours. The product is fragrance free and the company has claimed it is suitable for all skin types. Now we'll discuss what are the ingredients of this product. Especially this formula is based on fermented rich formula that contains lactomyces ferments filtrate, which GFF is a derivation of fermented shake that has proven skin care beneficial, includes reducing the appearance of pores, blackheads and sebum productions. It also reduces levels of acne and improves skin's brightness. It contains ceramides. Ceramides are lipids that make skin natural barrier, helping it to retain moisturize and protect it from potential irritations. It contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid hydrate your skin and also make your skin more plumpy and youngful. It contains vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is typically moisturizing agent that retains nourishments and also make your skin more improved, and also skin elasticity and contribute to a fuller and fuller skin. And now we will discuss what are the key ingredients of this product. It contains avobenzone. As we know, avobenzones contain sunscreens can cause skin irritations, allergies. The most common avobenzones stabilizers chemical cause skin irritations including redness, irritation, rashes and acne. The second most ingredient of this product is homosalate. Homosalate is also cause allergical reactions, and if you have sensitive skin, avoid this type of sunscreen. It also contains octisalate. Octisalate absorbs UVB rays from your skin, and it also contains octocrylene 5%, and it also protects skin from harmful rays of sun. Overall, it is a good sunscreen, but companies should check out in their ingredient selection as it contains avobenzones and homosalate. In short, this is the honest demo and you can say honest review related to this product. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Till next video, bye bye. Thanks for watching.